The ProAct Know-How.
Hi, this is ProAct Sam. Welcome to this episode of Living and Working Abroad. We get many questions from expats living overseas and working overseas about their bank accounts. Many people have experienced over the last few years a tightening of the regulations, and there's more to come, people, about bank accounts, which is anti-money laundering. Now, the changes with the bank can be purely because of their extra regulation or extra insurance that would need to monitor people that are living outside the borders of where they operate. So it's not a discrimination against you, it's just a change in legal system that means it's not cost effective for that private business, that private bank to operate across borders with clients because of the extra regulation and extra compliance. So some banks will do it, some banks won't. Most often what you will find is with your international bank, you may well have an account in the UK, but it doesn't mean that it's the same bank that's operating in Hong Kong, for example. That will be a completely different bank and independently regulated in Hong Kong, not necessarily back in the UK. So money laundering regulation, tax compliance around the world is bringing banking into a conformity where a bank wants to deal with people that are living and working and resident in that one country. So for expats, that can be a real challenge. A UK expat living and working abroad might not be able to keep their existing bank account with their existing bank. And that could be a problem because some banks in the UK will allow you to keep the bank account with an overseas an address, but they won't necessarily let new expats open that bank account as well. So it is quite a tricky situation. If you need any help in opening bank accounts, you can contact us at proactpartnership.com. What about when you're earning money? What about where the bank account is? So if you're an expat and you go to live and work abroad and you still have your income paid into your bank account in your home country, let's say for example the UK, then does that become taxable in the UK? Well, no. Your bank account is a movable asset for you. So your bank account lives where you live. So from a regulation point of view, it may be regulated in the UK if that's where your bank account is, but if you're earning that money in Portugal or Spain or Cyprus or France, then you'll still be taxed on that earnings in the country in which you're doing the work. Now, the contracts again that can create more complexities on that. If you operate as a consultant through your own service company, that can change your jurisdiction as well. So jurisdiction is everything, and for more guidance on the best solutions for your tax planning, for your bank accounts, contact us at proactpartnership.com, and we offer free reviews and a retained client service where we advise you on a regular basis to keep you on side with your bank accounts and your tax regulation for the whole of the business year. Thanks for listening, and we'll speak to you again next time.
The ProAct Know-How. Brought to you by ProAct.